actually doing a tutorial video today. And today we're actually making waffles, guys. So, you guys can use the blender bowl. This is what I'm using. So first, we gotta put in the flour, guys. The flour. We just dump it in. So, I've put in the flour. It's already in this blender. So, basically, this is like, you shake this and you mix all the ingredients. But you could use whatever you want. You could use a bowl, you can whisk it. So then, now we're gonna put in the sugar. So you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar. And after you've done that, you're gonna wanna put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. After that, you're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You could use whatever salt you want, but here we're using this salt. Now we put it in. And now you're going to want to put 1 egg inside. After that, you're gonna get your cup of milk. As you can see, 1 cup in there. Now, the last thing you're going to want to put in there, a stick of butter. It's 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Right here, melt it for 20 seconds. And that's it, guys. So, okay, guys, we have taken off the bottom and put it onto the top. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it. Hey guys, we're back, and now we've shaken up this entire thing. So, we're gonna use the mini waffle maker. So what we're gonna do, we took the cap off. Now we're gonna pour this in. And now we've poured all of it in. Now we will close the waffle maker. And now we wait. Okay, guys. It's done. It takes like 2 minutes, guys. That's it. So, we're going to take it out, cut it. And so, guys, we've taken it out, and you can use your favorite syrup. I am using Log Cabin. So, let's put this on. Okay, so this is how it looks. Cut it. So we've now cut it up like that, and we're gonna do the taste test. And there you have it. It's a really good waffles. It's really easy to make if you have the ingredients. So thank you for watching.